Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your headphones JBL Tune 510 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your headphones at the device list. And right here at the last line we have a button "Forget this device" and we need to tap on it to remove these headphones from your phone. But if you need only stop Bluetooth connection with these headphones but leave it at the device list, you can select Disconnect, not Unpair. Now let's remove it, so forget the device and forget device. Now we can turn off it, so at the bottom of the right ear cup we have power button. Press and hold it, and we just turn off it. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!